Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Organic manure. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective is to provide hands-on training at the village level on production of organic compost inputs for sustainable agriculture. What is the type of assistance? Entitlement. Training and awareness campaign in the production of organic composts. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the District Agriculture Officer of the concerned district through Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Beneficiaries are selected based on first come first served basis subject to availability of fund.